Hey bosses, welcome back to the Truck Boss Show. Boy, do we have a treat for you this week. Literally. On this week's show, we have Matt the Little Guy demonstrating just how easy it is to cook a healthy meal right inside the comfort of your cab. Then we visit with Oklahoma's own Trucker Treats from dill to Cajun. Take it away, James. After many hours of driving out on the long open road, it is very easy and enticing to just pull over at the nearest truck stop, run in, and grab something convenient that might not be the healthiest. Have no fear, our good friend Matt the Little Guy shows us just how easy it is to prepare a healthy meal right there in your cab. Check it out.
Oh yeah! What's going on, everybody? Little Guy here at the Truck Boss Show. And yeah, we're cooking chicken. We are cooking a healthy meal slash snack slash whatever you want to call it in the truck. I just wanted to show you guys just how easy this is. All you gotta do is make sure your truck has an inverter. Get yourself a little 12-inch electric skillet from Walmart or wherever. Get some chicken and some seasonings. And you're making yourself one heck of a healthy meal very, very quickly, ladies and gentlemen. All I did was buy some chicken, place it on the grill, the skillet, and I seasoned it up. Real simple stuff, check it out. Oh yeah. The reason that we're doing this is because we're on a little bit of a weight loss journey. We're trying to get back in shape here. So instead of eating in the truck stop all the time, you cook in your truck. Very simple, very simple, very simple. And we're not having any bread. We're just making chicken. That's all we're doing. A little bit of water here. Instead of using oil or butter or whatever. Yeah, oil, water. I mean, oil and butter is better, but use some water. It's better. Healthier. For those of you that don't have an inverter in your truck, you can go to Walmart or any sporting goods store, and you can purchase one of those little propane style barbecue deals with the little tiny little green propane canisters, and you can do the same thing. The only thing different you have to do it outside the truck. But if your truck has an inverter and you get yourself one of these little skillets, you can cook almost anything. And the chicken is one of the healthiest snacks to have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt. Try not to use a lot of salt, they say. I like garlic because I'm Italian. A little bit of garlic powder. And then some Italian seasoning, basically parsley, oregano, stuff like that in here. That's what I like. Oh yeah, it smells so good in here right now too. Let me tell you. But yeah, hey, if you're out here on the road like me, want to live a healthy lifestyle. I mean, I'm not one to brag, but I'm trying to get back on the right track. This is the way to do it, folks. Little Guy Truck Boss Show. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go eat some chicken. Chicken!
I don't know about you, but I think chicken is a pretty healthy option, and it doesn't take very long to whip up a batch. Plus, there are so many different recipes you can make it with. Brittany, what do you have on your end?
Well, Nikki, this next story is packed with yummy treats. Trucker Pretzel Treats, to be exact. The Truck Boss team sat down with the owner of Trucker Treats, the pretzels that truckers are craving all over the nation. Check this out.
What's up, bosses? Carlin here with the Truck Boss Show. We are sitting down with the creator of Trucker Treats, Zach Williamson. Zach, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Carl.
Well, we are super excited to, one, try some of these pretzels, but to learn more about you. So let's just start us off. Tell us your story. How did Trucker Treats come about?
About 3.5, 4 years ago, we were giving away pretzels at work around Christmas time as just one of those treats and kind of like a bribe to the mechanics to get my truck into the shop quicker. It works. And they started asking for it off season in 2018. So January, February, they were wanting it. Started selling it to them in little quart-sized baggies for $5 a piece. They bought so much in the first couple months, a company just formed around it, and the business just exploded. We were selling a couple hundred bags every single Thursday and Saturday. So far this year, we've already sold 35,000 bags. So we're on track to break 100,000 bags this year.
For sure. Now, tell us a little bit more about you. You obviously were a trucker. Tell us a little bit about that.
So I drove for almost 18 years before I started doing this. In 2009, I ended up moving to Oklahoma. I ended up in the oil field hauling crude oil and fuel for a while. Then my last couple driving positions were with Cardinal Logistics running AWG, Associated Wholesale Grocers, which put me in contact with my base. I got to know all the owners of all the small little mom and pop grocery stores. I got to know all the store managers, and that's what allowed my company to just explode.
Right. So you went from driving a truck for 18 years to still driving a truck,
Yeah.
but now it's just for you and to local places.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice. Now, tell me what the most popular flavor is of these Trucker Treats.
So right now, the most popular flavors are gonna be a tie between the original, which is a garlic ranch base, and our dill pickle flavor. I think our dill pickle flavor is the best on the market right now. It beats anything out there that Schneider or Frito-Lay can put out.
Awesome. Now, tell us a little bit about the process of making these treats.
So my co-packer currently makes all of our stuff for us because I have to be out there selling, so I have to have somebody that can make the product for me right now.
And then, of course, the packing, I'm sure, is a little bit more complicated.
It's very labor intensive for the girls down there in the kitchen. It is all still done by hand.
You guys have grown so much that you actually had to invest in a warehouse. Tell us a little bit about that.
So when we first started, we operated everything out of our kitchen. We made everything in 5-gallon buckets. We stored everything in our office/game room, and we just had it stacked to the ceiling, you know, hundreds of boxes. Now we're getting ready to lease this building, and we've already got a forklift. It's just gonna make life easier because right now I'm pulling pallets off the end of that trailer by hand, and I've dropped it on my feet a couple times. When you own your own business, you gotta do what you gotta do. And everybody out there that's an owner-operator knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Now, you were speaking earlier that you've shipped coast to coast and you're in 150 stores. Can you tell our viewers kind of what stores they should look for?
So right now, we are heavy in Oklahoma and just touching the outline of the states. We are in all Homeland, Cash Saver, and United Groceries. We're in almost all of the Crest food locations here in the Oklahoma City metro, and it just keeps growing.
Exactly. World domination at this point, right?
I'm gonna crush Frito-Lay.
There you go.
I'm gonna be the winner on that one. Oh yeah.
Now, tell us a little bit more about your website and Facebook, where people can find you so that way they can track down some Trucker Treats for themselves.
So on Facebook, you can just look up @Trucker Treats. Our website is truckertreats.net or heypretzelguy.com.
I like that
we
one.
own a lot of different websites.
There you go.
We also have the pretzelking.com because I will be the Pretzel King.
There you go. That one should be the one that you focus on the most, right?
My wife's about to die over here.
Well, I appreciate you chatting with us and telling us about these Trucker Treats. And now, guys, I'm gonna go to try some. So thanks for tuning into this segment of the Truck Boss Show. We'll catch you on the next one.
Nikki, those pretzels are awesome, and now it's the best time ever because we get to try them.
Yes, we're gonna try all of the flavors out for you right now on the Truck Boss Show.
And we're gonna start with the original.
Oh, we're gonna start with the original. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Because I think I'm gonna like it.
Okay.
It's like a garlic.
I believe this is the garlic ranch mix.
Okay. I like it.
I'm gonna give that a solid 9.
I'm gonna give it a 9 too.
9.
That's
okay.
really good. That one was really good. Which one's next?
Oh, dill pickle.
Dill pickle. Okay.
Okay.
I heard these were the best.
That's good too.
I still like the original better.
I'm gonna
But I
go
like
with a
them.
7.
I'm gonna
7
go with,
on the dill.
I'm gonna go with an 8.
8. Okay. Ooh, candy cane.
I don't know about this one. This one's feeling weird to me.
There you go.
A candy cane pretzel? It tastes like a candy cane
Not
pretzel.
bad. That is not bad. That would be so good around the holidays. I really like that. I'm gonna give it a 7.
I'm gonna give it a 7 too.
Nice.
Okay. Bacon cheddar.
Bacon cheddar pretzels. All right. Here we go, Brittany.
You're not even eating the whole pretzel. I'm eating the whole. I'm going. I'm gonna go with a 7.
I'm gonna go with a 6. But it's still good. It has a good flavor to it. 6, solid 6.
Okay. Now I think we need to do the Cajun.
Okay, I don't know. That's
It's
kind of
my
hot.
favorite.
You want to leave that for last?
Okay,
Brittany?
fine. Dang it. I
Cinnamon
really want to
toast.
do the Cajun. Okay,
Cinnamon
cinnamon
toast.
toast.
Okay.
I really like these.
Those are really good. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the full flavor in my mouth. I have to like blow out my nose. Does anybody else do that when you're tasting something?
Maybe you need to cleanse your palate.
Yeah, maybe I need to cleanse my palate. I would say solid 8 on those. That's really good taste.
I love those. I'm gonna give those a 9 with the originals because that was bomb.
Okay.
Okay.
So last is the Cajun. Here we go.
I think these are gonna be my favorite. I love them.
Wow, that's a really good flavor.
Yeah, and it's got a good kick.
Ooh, that is. That's
It's
good.
bomb.
I'm gonna give that a 9.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give it a 9.
it's a 9.
Yep. Awesome. Well, there are all the flavors that Trucker Treats has to offer, and if you want to find out where you can go buy them at a store near you, just check out truckertreats.net, and you can find the locations on there. But
Also,
Brittany,
yes, our Boss Box. If you win, you will get one of these flavors in your Boss Box. So be sure to go on and tell us what you want to win.
You're gonna go over to Boss Nation on our Facebook page and just ask to be a member of the group, and then you're gonna fill out a little bit of form on that video and be entered to win our awesome summer Boss Box. So head over there to check out what's in the Boss Box because it's a cool Boss Box.
It's a cool Boss Box.
Yes.
Double the swag.
Yes.
Double the goodies. It's awesome.
Oh, yes. And next week, we have Matt on the Street on how to check fuses with a voltmeter.
And we have our 4th of July stack hack. We've got a lot of good people that are going to be on there telling us their plans for 4th of July and what 4th of July means to them. So you're going to want to check that out because we got some good Truck Boss Show stars on there.
Yay! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we cannot do this without you and your support.
Exactly. And why do we do this, Nikki?
Because you're the boss.